Hello, good day. We are back again with this session. We will finish the exam technique of ACCA fundamental level. So today we are going to talk about the usually people will do this paper first. It is called accountant in business. Sometimes it is called AB, sometimes it is called F1, things like that. This paper is mainly a combination of economics, little bit of commerce, and even little bit of statistics, I can say. So some students prefer to do it first, some do it in the last. And again, it's a theory paper unlike the other two papers where you will get some numericals. So let us see the exam techniques, how to crack the accountant in business. So you all know the best thing is to master the exam techniques and practice and do a very good strategy, and of course always have a positive mindset. These are the key things for anything we need to pass. Even the life itself is an exam, I say. So even for that you need to have good strategies and positive mindset. So specifically, if I can mention what are the tips, I can say. First I will say, review the syllabus and the study guide. As you all know, ACCA's service support provider like BPP, Kaplan, etc. They are the best support with the students material providers, and they are also very much approved. So what you do, you do the proper revision of the syllabus and the study guide and understand thoroughly what exactly they are asking for, how to do it. Don't take your understanding from your plus one, plus two level. Yes, the subject is the same, but the application part will be totally different. So you need to be careful. And it's all multiple choice question. So you need to do MCQ practice in the CBE format in the beginning itself, so that you will not be confused when you are doing the uh, real exams. And of course you have to use the ACCA resources like the student platform. They give a lot of specimen papers, examiner approach, examiner's review, technical articles. All these things are available for you free. So make sure you do it and you do the proper, complete revision of the book itself. Some people will try to follow the question spotting, which questions come more, which or memorization. Those things will not work. Instead, you build a solid foundation of your knowledge to crack any exam. Yes, then we have to do the time management. Allocate the time wisely. Don't get stuck in one question. The moment you feel, no, this is, I'm not getting it, easily, just leave it and go to the next question. You can revisit always when you are done with all the other questions if the time is provided. You have enough time left in your hand. And if you want to have time, you should have a practice not only on the syllabus, a time management practice also needed, so that you will keep on improving your speed, so that you will able to improve your speed and you will able to improve even your accuracy. So time management also you have to do the practice, and read the questions carefully and identify the key information. When you read the question carefully and understand it, the chances for you to give wrong answer, thinking, oh, I thought like this is what I, that problem will be solved. So take a few seconds more to understand the question and exactly what is the examiner looking for in your answer. So that way you have to do the planning by identifying and reading the questions in detail and clearly. And of course, you have to do some strategy in the question answering, like answer all question. You all know there is no negative marking. So even if the time is you are in a very tight time, at least click some of the answers. You will never know. Maybe you will get 1 or 2 marks. Maybe that is the one going to save you to pass the exam. So answer all questions, and of course make a educated guess if needed. What you mean by educated guess? Don't just click it. Try to elimination techniques we call. So when you see the options, you will know that some of these ones are not at all near to that. So maybe you will end up with one, two options at the end after eliminating. Then you guess the most appropriate answer for you to get the um, correct guess, not just rounding anything. It will not work. Follow the instruction of the questions very clearly, uh, like required response you have to give, so that you will avoid unnecessary narratives. So exactly to the point you have to write, not beating around the bush, not like giving half page for one sentence answer. It will not help you to pass ACCA. So you have to be very, very clear and avoid unnecessary narrative. And of course, you need to have a analytical skills in evaluating, like showing your understanding of the concept by explaining the reason. Sometimes you need to tell the examiner, this is the logic that I know, that is why I'm answering. So if your logic and answer is little bit change also, they will mark. Because for example, you are giving a figure, but you are giving the right explanation for this figure, but maybe the figure was wrong. But they will see the logical reasoning in exams. Okay. And of course, on the day of your exams, you read everything carefully, understand the time limits and the structure of the exam, and you have to believe in yourself and have a very positive mindset, and make sure you stay healthy, both physically and mentally. When you are mentally not okay, it will not help you to crack the exams. Things will not come to your mind as you are expecting. And if the time is there for you, some students they have extra time. So if the time permits, you have to go back and check the answers wherever. Sometimes you will find some mistakes in a second reading only, things will click. So if the time permits, you will go back and see the questions quickly. And if you want to change your mind with the answers, anything, you can do that. And of course, I will tell you, always attend the revision courses. Like it will give you some valuable insight and support. There are so many online platforms, too many videos of good lectures, both our Indian and it will help you to understand a little more different version of your understanding. And you create, of course, a proper study plan, and you stick to it. Many of us are very good in planning, but implementing is our problem. We will not implement, isn't it? We all will take new year resolution, and we may do the resolution one day or 2 days. Some they won't even do one day. So that won't help us in ACCA. You need to stick to the plan so that you will able to crack it. And you have to practice active learning methods, like you make your own summary, you understand the key points, you understand the concept, and you try to explain the concept by using mind maps. You can, everybody is different, so you need to come up with your own practice methods or learning methods or summary methods, so that you will not miss anything. If in spite of all these things, if you think you are not okay, you need some professional help, please don't hesitate to ask for guidance from tutors or online resources, or somebody who already teaching the papers, or somebody who already passed the papers, just to give you the confidence. So with this paper, we covered all the exam techniques of the fundamental papers. They are three. They are all computer based exams. It's like on demand. There is one more paper which come to the next level, but they also do the computer based exam on demand. After that, it will be the scheduled exams as per the ACCA. So we will come up with the exam techniques of the last paper in the foundation level. I won't say foundation level, last paper in the same category, that is the law. We will talk about it in our next section. Then we will proceed for the other levels of the next level of the ACCA paper, exam techniques and other things. Hope it was useful. We will come with the next paper, the last paper with the CBE platform before we proceed for the scheduled exams by the ACCA. Hope it was useful. Keep practicing, keep reading, don't delay, use your logical reasoning and good methods to attempt all the MCQ exams. Good day. Bye bye.